Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ria account. Let's get into it. First, open the main website. The first step is to get onto the right page so the system knows you are ready to enter your account. You need to use your browser to find the main starting point. Open your internet browser and go to the official Ria website. Wait for the home page to load completely so you can see all the buttons at the top, because you have to be on the real site to keep your information safe. You have to go here so the site knows which service you are trying to use. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to find the door to your private account. Next, find the sign in button. You need to find the specific button that opens the box where you put your secret info. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the button that says Login or Sign In. Watch for a new page or a small box to appear in the middle of your screen. It tells the website that you already have an account. By clicking this button, you are moving away from the public page and heading toward your private work area. It ensures the computer gives you the right boxes to type in your name. Next, type in your email address. Now you need to tell the computer exactly who you are by using the electronic mail address you used to sign up. Click inside the first box and type in your full email address. Double check every letter to make sure there are no mistakes or extra spaces. Your email is like your digital name. The system needs this information so it can find your specific account in its big list. Type your secret password into the second box and click the Login button. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.